Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 17, chapter number 3, Playing with Numbers. Dear students, you will also follow COVID appropriate behavior in your home. So you wear mask, follow physical distancing and maintain hand hygiene. Hello students, so in this session we'll learn about common factors and multiples. So in the previous section we have learned about the factors and the multiples of a number. In this section we will look at the factors and the multiples of more than one number taken at the same time. So those factors or multiples which are common among the factors or multiples of two or more numbers are known as common factors or multiples. So here we consider two numbers here, 12 and 18. So here we take a two numbers like 12 and 18. So in these two numbers here, first we find the factors of 12 and after that we find the factors of 18 here. So here we write the factors of 12. So what are the factors of 12 here? So here first we find the factors of 12. So we write how many times 12 come in a one table. So here 1 multiply by 12, then here we write 1 12 is 12, then here we check with 2 here, 2 6 are 12, then we check in a 3 table, 3 4s are 12, then 4 table, 4 3s are 12, then 5 table. So 12 is not coming in the 5 table, so here we check in a 6 table, 6 2s are 12, then only 12 ones are 12. Okay, so what are the factors of 12 here? So here first we write 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 2 3 4 6 and 12. Now we use the same method and here we find the factors of 18. Factors of 18 are, so here we write directly here what are the factors of 18 here: 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. You also write how we get the factors of 18 here. So first we check in a table of 1 multiply by 18, we get product 18 here, then 2 9s are 18, then 3 6 are 18, then 18 not come in a table of 4, not in a 5 but in a 6 3s are 18, then not in a 7, not in a 8 but in a 9 also, then 9 to the 18, and after that 18 ones are 18. So what are the factors of 18 here? 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Okay, now we write the common factors of 12 and 18 here. So what are the common factors of 12 and 18 here? Here first we check what are the common factors. Mean here 1, first we check 1 in a factor of 12, then we check in a factor of 18. So 1 is common in the both factors, then 2, then 3, then 6, and no other factor are common here. So here we write clearly 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors of 12 and 18. Okay students, so by using this method you also find the common factors with the other numbers. Now we find the factors in greater numbers. Like here we take another example. Find the common factors of 56 and 120. So here first we find the common factor of 56 and after that we find the common factors of 120. Okay, so here first we find the factors of 56. Okay, so here first we check in a table of 1. So 1 multiply by 56, we get 56 here. Then check in a table of 2. So 28 2 ja. So 2 multiply by 28, 56. Then in a table of 4, 14 4 ja 56. Then in a table of 7, 7 8 ja 56. Then in a table of 8, 8 7 ja 56. Then table of 14, 14 4 ja 56. Then in a table of 28, 28 2 ja 56. Then in a table of 56, 56 1 ja 56. So what are the factors of 56 here? So here we write factors of 56: 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. So here we write 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Dear students, if you want to find the factors of 56 here, you also divide 56 by 2, then 4, then 7, then 8, 14, 28 and with other numbers also. So you get the correct pair of two numbers. So when you multiply these two factors, we get 56 as a product with the same as with given number. Now here we write the factors of 120. So the factors of 120 are, here we write directly the factors of 121, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 40, 60, 120. Now we find the common factors here with a factor of 56 and with a factor of 120. So 1 is common here, then 2 is common here, then 4 is common here, then 8 is common here, then 14? No. 28? No. 56? No. So here we write clearly the common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now we learn about prime numbers and composite number. So here there are some definitions related to prime numbers and composite number, and in the previous video tutorial we already learn about method sieve of Eratosthenes method. In this method we separate prime number and composite number 1 to 100. So here we write some definitions related to prime numbers. So first we write twin primes. So what are the twin primes number? Two prime numbers are known as twin primes if there is only one composite number between them. So here we write two prime numbers are known as twin primes if there is only one composite number between them. Some example like pair of two primes numbers. So there are some numbers between 1 to 100. So pairs of twin primes between 1 and 100 are 3, 5 and 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 41, 43, 59, 61 and 71, 73. So here you notice of one thing here. Here 3 and 5 here. 3 and 5. So in the middle of these two numbers there is 4, and 4 is a composite number here. With the same as with 5 and 7, in the middle of 5 and 7 number is 6 here, and 6 is composite number. So these type of numbers or two prime numbers are known as twin primes if there is only one composite number between them, with the same as with other number also. So in the middle of 71 and 73 there is 72, and 72 is a composite number. So these two pair of numbers 71, 73 are twin primes number. Now we will discuss prime triplet. What is prime triplet? A set of three consecutive prime numbers differing by 2 is called a prime triplet. So students, you also write these all definition and work in your fair notebook. Okay. Three consecutive prime numbers differing by 2 is called prime triplet. Prime triplet. So there is only one triplet is, and here we also say that the only prime triplet is 3, 5, 7. Now we will discuss co-primes. What are the co-primes number? So here two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. So here we write definition of co-primes. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. Some example like number 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 8 and 13, 12 and 23, etc. are pairs of co-primes. So now here we discuss some facts about prime numbers. So the first fact is there are infinitely many primes. Now the second fact is every prime number except 2 is an odd number. Now fact 3, a natural number greater than 1 is either a prime or it can be expressed as a product primes. Now fourth fact is there is no largest prime number. Now fact 5, if P and Q are prime factors of a number A, then their product P and Q is also a factor of A. Okay students, so these are some facts about prime numbers. So now students, here we solve some questions related to prime and composite numbers. So here the first question is, write 5 consecutive composite numbers less than 50 so that there is no prime numbers between them. So in this chart there is total 5 consecutive composite number between 23 and 29. So what are the numbers? 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. So here we write 5 consecutive composite numbers are 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. Okay students, so these are 5 consecutive composite number less than 50. So there are some other number also. So the other numbers are, and these numbers are between 31 and 37. So these numbers are 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. So these are other 5 consecutive composite number less than 50. Now students, the next question is, the numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. It means these two numbers having the same digits here, 1 3 and 3 1. means 13 having 1 and 3, and 31 also having 1 and 3. So we find these type of pairs of prime numbers up to 100 which having same digits. So these pairs are, the first pair is already given here, 13 and 31, and the second pair is 17 and 71. Okay, so these two are prime numbers which having same digits. Now next, third pair of the numbers, 37 and 73. These two numbers also having same digits, 3 and 7. Now fourth pair, 79 and 97, and these two numbers also having same digits, 7 and 9. So here we write hence there are 4 pairs of such type. Now student, the next question, write all prime numbers between 17 and 90. So here we check the series of prime numbers between 70 and 90 and write the numbers here which are primes here. So the first number is 71, then 73, 79, 83 and 89. Now the next example, second, 60 and 100. Here we find prime numbers between 60 and 100. So what are the numbers? So we start from 60, then 61. 61 is prime number, then 67, then 71, then 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. So these are the numbers are prime between 60 and 100. First you will learn the properties of prime and composite numbers, and after that you will easily find what are the prime numbers and what are the composite number. Now the next question is, write all pairs of twin primes between 50 and 100. So what are the twin primes number? So twin primes numbers are those numbers, two primes numbers are known as twin primes if there is only one composite number between them. So here we check again the chart of composite and prime numbers, and here we check what are the numbers which having one composite number between 59, 61 and 71 and 73. So these both number having only one composite number between them, means here 59 and 61. So in the middle of these two number having 60 here. So 60 is composite number. Now 71 and 73. In the middle of these two numbers 72 is there, and 72 is composite number. So here we say that these pair of these two numbers are twin primes. Okay. Now the next question is, give two pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 6. Now we again check the composite and prime numbers chart, and here we check 23 and 29 is there. If we subtract 23 from 29, so we get difference 6 here. So here the first pair is 29 and 23. When we subtract 29 minus 23, we get difference 6 here. Now the next pair is 59 and 53. When we subtract 53 from 59, we get difference 6 here. So here we say that hence there are two pairs of prime numbers such type. Okay students, so there is another question like give two pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. So here we again check the numbers on a prime and composite numbers chart. So in the first numbers like 1 to 10, like 3 and 5, if we subtract 3 from 5, so we get difference 2. Then the next number is 5 and 7. If we subtract 7 and 5, then we get difference 2. So there are lots of other examples. Dear students, I give some questions in your homework. So we'll solve these all questions in your fair notebook.